Satco's Dimension tape line of products is available for a wide range of installations and projects. From the beginner to the professional, for indoor and outdoor applications, there are 4 groups to choose from: Color, Performer, Plus, and Pro. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the Color Kit. Our Color Kit is the basic indoor plug-in RGB tape light. The Dimension Color Kit is perfect for kids' rooms and gaming. The kit includes indoor 16-foot RGB tape light reel with 3M tape pre-installed on the back for quick installation. A controller with IR remote control, which allows you to power on and off, switch between colors and effects, as well as dim and brighten the light. And comes with a 120 volt plug. Additional features include 580 lumens per reel, 50,000 hour rating, and a 1-year limited warranty. For more information on our Dimension product, go to satco.com.